Look at this, everybody. Sunset was 10 minutes ago. Southwest. Look at that green color. Southeast. East. Look at the color reflecting off the ground. I don't know if the phone is doing any justice. Straight up, guys. Here we go. North. East. Hey, little birdies. They're wondering, what are you doing? Okay, they're spraying right now. But look at those colors. Wow. We're back at Northeast. I'm taking still shots, Dorleen. Much love to everybody. Julie, you bring tears to my eyes sometimes, and I love it. It's good. Tears of joy. Just want to say hi, everybody. Corey, you make me crack up laughing. I love that. So anyway, we're back at Northwest. North. The birds don't know what I'm doing. I'm way in the top of the back of my daughter's truck. And back to Southwest. And I'm about to end it, guys. Birds talking, singing. Y'all stay safe, stay prayed up. And thank y'all, everybody, just thank y'all so much. I just don't realize, or maybe y'all do realize, how much we're building each other up. And it is just an awesome thing. We're going to fight against all this evil that's going on. We are. We just are. Because we're all not giving up. We're all searching for the truth. And we've all been brought together for a special reason. I just believe that. God bless y'all.